Jashan. I am Jashan and today I am going to paint tulips on this black canvas. This painting is going to be really easy painting, so I am too excited to paint this. Let's start with this video. I am starting directly with brushes and I am using mix up of magenta and white shades to paint the tulips. I am painting basic blueprint of 3 tulip flowers which I am going to paint today. For painting the stems and leaves, I am using mix up of blue and green, which is darkest green shade which I can prepare, and I am using this for blueprint of stem and leaves. Now I am going to add details in my petals of tulips. For shadows, I am going to use blue shade in these petals. You know, this painting is really looking empty, guys. I think there is no craziness in this painting, so I have to add craziness because I love craziness. So I am going to sprinkle some paint on the canvas to add more charm in my painting. I am sprinkling all the shades that I'm going to use in this painting, like magenta and whites mix up, white, green, blue, all of these shades. I'm going to sprinkle all these here. Now, coming back to the details, I am going to use white and magenta shades again to add details in my tulips, and also I am going to use a little bit of crimson now because crimson is also giving me some kind of pinkish vibes, so I am going to use that also. Until I am finishing these, let's know some facts about tulips. I am not opening fact channel, guys, but I am going to tell you a few facts because we have spare time with us. So, do you know that the name tulip came from a Turkish word which is for turban? So tulip literally means turban. It is amazing. And these flowers were cultivated in 16th century on the demand of Ottoman Empire Sultan. Sultan loved these flowers. And also one more fact is there that these flowers symbolize the perfect kind of love which is possible. These flowers represent special warmth and love. So I can say that these are perfect gift for your love. And you know, the petals of tulips are eatable. I didn't know this till today. It is crazy and it is amazing that these petals are used on the place of onions in some dishes. It's awesome. God is really having so good imagination. Okay, so I am not going to make my channel a fact channel now, so I am going to come back to painting. And for painting the leaves and stems, I have used mix up of yellow and green, and sometimes I have used little bit of white in it. So now let me finish my tulips. These flowers are really the most beautiful flowers in this world. I really love these flowers, and also I love blue roses. Oh my god, both the flowers are just amazing. I hope you are loving the process of this painting. This painting is so soothing, guys. You will definitely love painting this kind of flowers. Even though if you are not having artistic skills, you are going to love painting this kind of thing. So trust me, try this once in your life. You can easily recreate this painting and you can share the result that you get after painting this on my Instagram. The link is in bio. I'll post that on my story. Now, after providing details in the leaves and adding highlights in the flowers, this painting is now ready. Have a close-up look on this painting. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, then press the like button and don't forget to rate this video from 1 to 10. And guys, if you want to watch more art videos from my side, you have to subscribe this channel, for which you need to press the subscribe button, and also you need to press the bell icon to get notifications for all my new videos first. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, you are amazing. Bye.